Hi, I'm George from Curry's PC World and I'm here to show you the Dyson V11 Absolute Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Now here are my top 3 features. Firstly, the high torque cleaner head, which automatically adjusts suction for deep cleaning. Secondly, the LCD screen, which displays all the important numbers and notifications. And finally, the large bin, which can be emptied hygienically with the touch of a button. Now I'm going to take this home to put it to the test and show you why upgrading your vacuum will make life at home easier. So let's get straight onto my first top feature. The high torque cleaner head has twice the suction power of a standard cordless vacuum. It also has dynamic load technology, which senses the surface it's cleaning on and adjusts accordingly to get the task done. You can also easily put it into handheld mode with a single click, which is really convenient when it comes to cleaning hard to reach places in the house. The high torque cleaner head is so powerful that you only need to go over the area once to flawlessly clean it. It also can remove up to 99.97% of dust particles, which is great if you have a dust allergy. So now it's time for the real test, which puts the Dyson V11 and my old mains powered vacuum cleaner head to head. I'll be scattering some things on the ground and we'll see which one cleans up the most mess. You can clearly see that the Dyson only takes 1 pass at cleaning versus my old vacuum, which leaves loads left over. This will save me time when it comes to cleaning on all surfaces, and it's a lot easier to use due to its handheld ergonomic feel compared to my bulky old vacuum cleaner. My second top feature is the V11's LCD screen. Now this is really great when it comes to cleaning because you can see current performance, power mode and cleaning time remaining. It's also great because you don't need to worry about running out of charge mid-clean, especially as it has up to a 60-minute runtime in eco mode. I've been using the vacuum for about half an hour now on both carpets and hard floors, so let's take a look and see how much time I've got left. Brilliant, I've got about 28 minutes remaining, which is plenty of time to do the rest of the house, thanks to the way it automatically adjusts its power settings. My final top feature is the large bin. It has a 0.76 litre capacity and is 40% larger than previous cordless models. This definitely has the capacity to clean the entire house without having to empty it mid-clean. Also, when it comes to emptying it, it's really simple as it just takes a press of a button. And there you have it. The V11 is an incredibly powerful cordless vacuum that will make a worthy upgrade to your home. The portability, battery life, power and LCD screen are all features that will make cleaning the house so much less of a chore. If you want to learn more about how the Dyson V11 Absolute Cordless Vacuum Cleaner can upgrade your home, then head to Curry's PC World online or chat to us on Shop Live.